Wemyss Castle is situated in Wemyss, on the sea cliffs in Fife, Scotland. Wemyss Castle is considered to be a multi-period building, and today's castle includes many elements from former periods such as the 15th century tower and the 19th century stables and gateposts. Accounts date the construction of the castle to 1421, when Sir John Wemyss decided to build a fortified castle. The castle is thus an ancient seat of the Earls of Wemyss and their families. Historically, the castle is perhaps best known as the location where Mary, Queen of Scots, met her future husband, Lord Darnley, on the 17th of February 1565. In 1592, Sir John Wemyss of Wemyss provided a refuge at the castle for the Queen's Danish lady-in-waiting, Margaret Vinster, whose partner John Wemyss of Logie had plotted with Francis Stuart, 5th Earl of Bothwell, against the king. The incident is celebrated in the ballad, The Laird o' Logie. John Wemyss was obliged to keep prisoners for the king at Wemyss, including in 1597 Archie Armstrong of Whitehall from the Scottish borders. Wemyss and other lairds complained about this duty, and in April James VI wrote to him and asked him to bring Armstrong as a prisoner to be kept in Falkland Palace instead. In the 1890s, the nearby Coaltown of Wemyss was established as an estate village on the land belonging to the Wemyss Castle, in order to house mine workers employed in several coal mines in the area. Two particular points of interest of Wemyss Castle are that one of the towers from an earlier building has been reused, first as a windmill and later as a dovecote. There is also an oval-shaped dungeon within the castle, connected to the building by a passage.